we don't make the most burners in the United States by a long shot, but we make a quality product that has a lot of longevity, and we build into it the ability to make enhancements later on, as opposed to change out a burner, because that's a big deal.
Right.
If you change out a burner, you got to get a permit. And that's bad enough, say, in Danbury, Connecticut. But if you say New York City, that's like, now they're going to check your chimney. And you might, because you're changing the burner out, you're going to have to do a $2 million chimney retrofit. So we in the past, we built that in. We always like to say we've got a lot of engineering up our sleeve for our customers when their needs change. But in addition to that, today we do it particularly because emissions regulations are going to change.
Sure.
So why not put in a burner that's going to get you to low emissions, if that's what you want to do now, and then as the emissions regs change, that same burner can be adapted to meet even the most stringent emissions regulations in the country, which would be California, Houston, Washington State, and those types of places.
So kind of finding a new innovative way to kind of meet not just the needs of today, but the needs that we might even have tomorrow.